Hi guys, my name is Miss Wagner and this is Physical Science. So this is predominantly a freshman course. This is going to be your first science credit you get here at Coleraine High School. So by the way, welcome to high school. Um, During these first 4 days, because it is going by different grade levels, for these first few days, we're going to kind of do activities that are getting to know you, some of the basics, kind of just learning how this course is going to work. After those 4 days, where it starts to get a little bit more regular and routine, we'll start getting into our science content. So, I wanted to show you guys our Google Classroom and a little bit of how it's going to work and the logistics of it. So, if you go to our physical science, right now I'm on Bell 3, but Bell 4, it's going to be the same thing except Bell 4. So, this is our physical science stream. Just like on social media, a stream, the newer things are going to be at the top, while older things are going to be at the bottom. On the side, you should have some upcoming due dates. If you click View All, I don't know if you guys knew this, but you should have the option of getting all of your classes. You can pick which class, and you should be able to see all of your assignments that are due there. So, all of our organization wise, you guys are pretty much going to want to go to the classwork. I would check here, see if I made any announcements that are important, but for work and assignments, you want to go under classwork. So right now, I have 2 topics created, and you can see them listed here. If I wanted to just focus on one, I can just click on that, and that's the only topic that I will see. This first one that I have here is going to pretty much stay at the top of the screen. It's going to be some important resources. I haven't added anything to this yet, but there will be some, such as how to access the online text, a running list of assignments, videos to use certain software like Gizmos or Edulastic, that kind of thing. So any type of material that I want you guys to know that's not related to a certain topic is going to live right here under this important resources topic. So we're at week 1. We have 2 days this week, Thursday and Friday. So all of what you need to know is going to live right here. The first thing I want you guys to do, if you click on this week 1 agenda, you're going to see a slides presentation. I'm going to put these slides presentations in every single week. So let me open this up so you can see what it looks like. Let's see. Welcome. Yay. So I am going to have the date listed right here and an agenda of what you need to do on every day and very clear as I can instructions on this page. So the first thing we need to do today is to watch this welcome video. So kudos to you, you're already doing that. You already got successfully logged into my Google Classroom. So moving on to number 2, question of the day assignment. Just like a warm up that you might have done, we're going to do a question of the day where this is a way for easy review. It's also a way so I can keep attendance as well. All right, so let's read a little bit about this task we have to do. The question of the day will be in the title for the slide for each day. Notice I have that right here. So today's question of the day, QOD, is how does it feel to be a freshman in high school? Are you nervous? Are you excited? What are you feeling about it? This is posted on Google Classroom, and further instructions are shown in Science QOD notebook. So let's head over there and find this, shall we? I'm back at Google Classroom. Here is any links that you're going to need for the day. So look, I see the Science QOT notebook, and in this post I have a shortened version of the agenda right here. So we're watching the video right now. Right now we need to complete the question of the day. So if I click this right here, I should have it open. Here it is. So this is our question of the day notebook. This is your document. Once you click on this, it should generate your own copy of it. And when you do that, you should see your name right in front of this title. Make sure that your name is in the title somewhere. So this is where you guys are going to record your question of the day every day. This is going to be ongoing, so you're going to need to access it every single day when you want to do your science work. Okay? So on this title slide, you can put your name. You can decorate it if you want. You can add some pictures, things that you like here on. Make it your own. And here I have some further instructions on what's going on for the question of the day. So at the top of the page, I need you guys to write the date, and then you're going to simply write your question. Don't forget to write incomplete sentences, please. That helps us with literacy. It helps us with our answers on real relevant assessments and quizzes. All right, and you guys should know how to add slides. So I already added the date for today. You're going to answer the question right here. This is just a reminder of where to find it. This says the question is highlighted in white in the weekly agenda slides. So I know it seems like I'm going back and forth, but once you guys do this a few times, you guys will get used to it. So where's my question of the day? It's right here. How do you feel about being a freshman in high school? So where are you going to answer this? You're going to answer it right here. Okay, you're going to type in your answer and you can exit out of that. You're done for that for the day. Okay, so that's the question of the day. So we did one, we did two. Notice it's continuing on to the next slide. So let's head there. The next thing we need to do today is we need to add notes to the Jamboard. So like I said, any links that you will need will be in this post for the day. So I see this is the Jamboard. If I click on that, this is what I should see. Okay. For this, there's 5 slides with a question on it. For example, this first one, what thought or emotion comes to your mind when you hear the word science? So in order to do this, you can add these sticky notes. You can pick your color and type your response to this question. You can also add a text box where you click that text. You just drag open a box, type in your response, and you can move it anywhere. I would like you guys to add your name or at least your initials to the end of this. That way, let me delete this. That way I know who has responded and who hasn't responded. This is, everybody in the class can edit this. For your class, actually, excuse me while I think for a minute. I think both physical science classes can write on this. Either way, that's not important for you guys, but at least your people in your class can write on this document. So if I click through here, I have a different question, and there's 5 questions I want you to participate in. Okay, so that's the Jamboard. You don't need to submit this. You are just adding your note to this page. All right. So there's the Jamboard instructions. And then the last thing I need you to do today is to fill out the Google form. Where would I find this? I would find this in my Google Classroom post right here. So this is just light censored. There we go. This is just the survey, basic information that I might want to know about you guys or that you might want to share with me. So if you click on that, it'll pull up a Google form and make sure you submit that. Whew, I know that was a lot. Hopefully you're following me here. A couple things I wanted to point out notice this emoji in front of the title here? I am going to color code days of the week. So this one actually should be green. Bear with me, guys. Let's pretend this is green. When you guys see it, it will be green. But notice the Thursday is highlighted in green here. Okay? So, sorted by weeks. I'm going to organize it by title, date, color. Your weekly slides will have all of the instructions you need. All of your links will be on that given day. I know this is going to be a very weird year. A lot of your teachers are doing different things, and I'm aware of that. I'm trying to make this flow well in my brain, therefore, hopefully, it flows well in your brain. Please email me if you have any questions throughout the year. I am here to help you guys. If I can't answer your question via email, then we can schedule a one-on-one Zoom and I can share my screen and hopefully we can get a solution for you. That's all I have to say for now. Like I said, my name is Miss Wagner. This was just a little run through of our Google Classroom and what we should be doing today. Talk to you guys soon.